Meaning of marquee.
Marquee. Marquee.
Noun. Definitions. 1. A large ornamental tent or canopy, typically erected at an entrance or gateway. 2. A structure or tent above an entrance, used as a sign or advertisement, especially at a cinema or theater. Examples. 1. The marquee above the hotel entrance read, "Welcome to the Grand Ball." 2. The movie premiere was held under a glamorous marquee. Verb. Definitions. 1. To display or feature someone or something prominently, especially in a headline or title. 2. To provide a marquee or prominent display for an event or attraction. Examples. 1. The new blockbuster movie was marqueed on the front page of the newspaper. 2. The concert was marqueed as the biggest event of the summer.
Marquee. Marquee.